Make a great choice today with the 2019 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, remote keyless entry, inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlet, floor mats. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.